Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video and if you're into Hawk Tour, and today I got an awesome, elegant, luxurious watch face for you all to check out in the Gear Manager store. I don't know what you got going on for the weekend or if you got something going on Friday, but this is going to be a premium watch face that you want to have in your archives. Now this guy definitely gets down. He goes by the name of HMK watch. Now the name of the watch face is called Simple 005. It's free for the taking in the Gear Manager store. You do not, I repeat, you do not want to miss out on this one. For a nice analog timepiece, yes, this one is a nice one to have in your archives. Now in the AOD mode, you're pretty much going to get the same exact look. When the watch face is on, I like this look. I do like the way the analog hands lights up. It has a premium look to it. You will get a nice second hand that's smoothly going around the bezel of the watch. Get your date down at the bottom, your battery percentage over here. And I like how he has his name blended in with the index. Now it has a unique look so far as analog time is concerned. You got modern versus classic. Not a bad look at all, but look at the moon phase. The moon phase blends into the black background beautifully. Now this is a hybrid watch face, which means that you got some places that you can tap on and bring up certain applications, which is going to make this watch face super convenient, but it does not take away from the premiumness of this watch face. Tap right here, single tap, you'll be able to go into, of course, your applications. You can set it to whatever one you want to set it to. Now you get 4 places in all. You hit in this corner, that corner, down at the bottom. Of course, if I tap right here, I can go in and pull up my weather. If I tap right here, I can bring up my calendar. And if I tap right here, come on, battery. There we go. All right, if I tap right here, I can go into my recents. See if I can get it to come out. And yeah, I thought this was nice so far as a premium watch face is concerned for going out. Yeah, the download is definitely a must. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this quick video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please don't forget to hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'm going to see you all again at the next video. Take care.